If we fix carpet, how is everybody doing today? Today we are at a local hotel restretching a room. They contacted us, they found us online, read our reviews, and realized that we were a good company to give a call to. We have 77 online Google reviews. So anyway, cutting out the promotional talk, now we are here in this room, and as you can see all these ripples and bumps and all that, we're going to stretch those out. Now, just to be fair, it's possible that once we stretch these out, there could be some shadowing. So it will be flat, but you might still see the dark shadows from where it was ripply. Just kind of wanted to give you a heads up, but this is what we are accomplishing today. YepWeFixCarpet.com, 952-452-3629. Have a great day. Alright, here's the after. Now as you can see, like we said, the little shadows, they're totally flat. They look good. Everything is pretty much gone, so you can see from this side too.